Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I thought I would do like a modified what's in my bag. I'm not going to go in depth as to what's in my bag on this one. This is what I carried last week. Loved it. I got this from, I think, Macari, a seller. I got it for cheap because it didn't come with the strap. This is a Dooney and Burke strap. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I'm not going to do the bag swap on camera. I'm just going to kind of open it up and let you see how I got it packed. It was a surprisingly good carry because I'm a big purse girl, and this is like the regular size Rowan. And let me show you. So this is not the Coach one. I got this off Amazon. I will try to find it and link it for you. And then this I got off eBay. It didn't have to have the C on there for me. This is not authentic, but it's got all that. It's got all the trappings. Let's see. Does this one say what it is? No, it doesn't. It's just a blank tag. Well, there's something tiny on it. Oh, there it is. It does say it. And it says it on that. Alright. So anyway, it came in a little box and everything. It was really cute. I guess it wasn't. But anyway, and then, let's see. I didn't put anything on this side. And didn't put anything on the back. This one had the feet. And she's a little wonky because I have her stuffed to the gills. All right, so I'm going to come out of this one and go into this one. And this is only for the weekend because I cannot carry this for a week. All right, so let's see what I have in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull out my stuff. So I did get a lot of stuff in here. So I work at night and I like to have different options. I don't like to be without my earbuds. So I have the this one is nice, but I think this is like the first generation AirPod Pro because it doesn't have a lot of battery time. And this one is cute, nice too. I don't think it lasts as long either. The Bose, I think, beats both of them. But anyway, and though they really are my favorite. But sometimes I need to charge all of them. So in here, I really like that I can put all kinds of colors in here. So we got that. And then this is just some Dollar Tree readers. And then you are able to fit 2 full-size wallets in there. And I got a zip around case. One is for lipsticks and stuff. All kinds of colors. And this other one is eye products. These are old. I'm pretty sure none of this is available anymore. And let's see, so my job one time, they gave us this, like a little brush. So I thought that was neat to put in there. And then we got tissue, more sanitizer. We got I don't wear contacts, but I get dry eye a lot, so I use these for those wedding drops. And then I got nausea medicine, that kind of stuff. All right, and then I'm always needing this. And then this has a few little pills in here, a beta blocker. All right, and then safety thing. And then this, I got this. This is for like if you have a Hobonichi weeks. This is corrector tape that is cream colored. I got that from online somewhere. And then this, I got this from what is that? Pop Shelf. And it's a little disposable fountain pen. It writes surprisingly well. I like it a lot. And then this is my felt tip Skywalker pen. And then I got this from Pop Shelf. This is that same thing, but in green. And then, okay, we already did that. And then these are my very frustrating foldable. I like that they're foldable so you can put them in little tiny purses like this. But this one lens just keeps popping out and it's getting on my nerves. But anyway, I probably should pay more than $1.50 for it. And then when the person sold this to me, I guess they didn't have the little ball chain thing. And then I forgot about it, so it's been riding in that pocket. I need to find something to put it on there. So anyway, that's that. That is what I'm going to come out of. And I'm not going to try to do this on camera. But this is what I'm going to go into. Clearly, all of this is not going to be able to get in there. But I thought that I would also share with you what I decided to adorn this with. Now, this is hilariously big, but I thought it was going to be cute on the side of there. And then I kept trying to decide if this was too much to put 2 of them on there. But I really wanted Woodstock on there. So I had this smaller head. Now, I do have a Snoopy head that goes with that. But I really wanted Joe Cool. These are luggage tags, and I got them from some place called Bosco's online. We don't have one of them here. But anyway, I'm going to do the little twirl. And this is what I plan to put in here. So, I'm going to use one of these for my makeup. I'm going to have to, you know, condense. And then I'm going to try to use this wallet. I might not be able to, but I'm going to try to use that wallet. And then I got a little card case that I got from a little set. So, with Snoopy on there. And one of these are going to have to go in there. Pen, sanitizer, and glasses. And so that is probably what is all going to go in there. But I thought I would share with you my plans. And y'all tell me, do y'all think that's too much? I like it. I think it's cute. All right. And then I actually bought this too. I don't know. I don't remember where I got it. I will probably try to see if I can find it and link it. It was in one of those hauls. So I'm probably going to take the Victoria's Secrets off and put this on here. Even though this is only going to be a weekend carry, I plan to come out of this on Monday and go into my cargo tote. It's only a little bit bigger. Oh, and one more thing. I was fussing that this says that it is a mini city tote, right? This is what I thought I was going to get. So this is a mini city tote, but this is an old one. And yes, it still has a tag on it because I hadn't put it in rotation yet. But this is what I thought I was getting. That's almost half of what that is. See? And so I was disappointed when this came. I was like, what? So, because I thought that this is what I was going to get. So, I haven't used this yet. It's really cute. I love that color. I love orange. And so, I had this that's going to go in it. Both of these things I got on clearance. I haven't taken the tag off this. This has been for years. And let's see what year this was. This was in 23. Okay. So, I've had this still wrapped, pretty much. And it's been hanging off my closet door. But anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. And you can tell me what you think. All right, bye.